Motion racing simulators are usually the kind of thing most gamers only dream about. They can recreate the feeling of hard braking, fast cornering, and acceleration so well that it almost feels like you're inside a real race car. The problem is that these setups are often incredibly expensive and take up a huge amount of space. That's why a group of researchers decided to try something completely different using a humanoid robot called Unitree G1. The project is called HumanoidTurk, and the idea behind it is surprisingly simple. Instead of building a massive racing rig, the researchers placed the humanoid robot directly behind the player. All the player needs is a normal chair, a VR headset, and a racing game like Assetto Corsa running on a PC. The setup works by attaching small tracking balls to the chair. A depth camera on the robot keeps track of the chair's exact position, while the game sends real-time driving data to the robot. So whenever the car accelerates, brakes, or takes a sharp turn, the robot reacts instantly by pushing and shifting the chair in the same direction. The robot's hands stay on the back of the chair the entire time, moving the player around to recreate the forces you'd normally feel inside a real vehicle. To make the experience smoother, the researchers had to fine-tune how the robot responded to the game data. Early testing showed that sudden movements could feel too harsh or jerky, so they added filters to smooth out the motion. That made the movements feel more natural and less distracting during gameplay. The team also ran a larger experiment with 16 participants who tested 4 different setups. Some players drove normally without any extra feedback at all. Others used only controller vibrations. Another group experienced the robot moving the chair in sync with the game, while one setup even had a real person manually shifting the chair for comparison. Most participants said the robot-assisted version felt more immersive and entertaining overall. The added motion made the racing experience feel more alive and realistic. At the same time, there were a few downsides. Some players felt tired after longer sessions because the chair was constantly moving, and others reported extra discomfort from combining the motion with the VR headset. Even with those limitations, the project shows how humanoid robots could be used for entertainment in ways people probably never expected. Instead of buying a dedicated motion simulator that costs a fortune, someone who already owns a compatible humanoid robot could potentially turn it into a full racing simulator assistant. It's a really creative use of robotics, and it also hints at how these machines might become part of gaming and home entertainment in the future.